my name's Erin. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the new Zelda Link's Awakening game. It just came out today, September 20th, 2019. I had it delivered and it was very exciting. I also got the new Nintendo Switch Lite. I got it in turquoise, but it's also available in gray and yellow, but turquoise is my favorite. I think the yellow one, they all would be cool. It actually ended up being like a lot nicer than I thought it would be. So I really like it. But anyways, this video is going to be opening Zelda Link's Awakening. I've been really excited about this because I recently did a playthrough of the original Link's Awakening. And that was like one of my husband's favorite games when he was a kid. So it was cool and like nostalgic to do. And then now this one's coming out or has came out. So it's just a lot. The graphics are obviously a lot better. And I think it's the same exact storyline, but the graphics, it just looks like amazing. And it's 3D, obviously. So yeah, so I did an unboxing video of the Lite and I compared it a bit to the regular Switch and also the Amiibo, which we got. And we can use, according to the game, you can summon the deadly Dark Link into your chamber dungeons. So whatever that means, it should be interesting. So this is the front of the game. You can already see it's so colorful and just pretty. And just really cute. And then the side, obviously Legend of Zelda. And then it says, far from Hyrule with no way home. Oh, it's rated E for everyone. So whether, you know, like you played the original one when you were growing up and it's like a nostalgic thing, or this is a brand new game to you. If this was a brand new game to you, like you never played the old one, that would be so exciting because, I don't know, it's just like, it's a cute like 3D version of it. And I don't know, it would just, everything would seem so new. So, but yeah, either way, if you're like being nostalgic about the old one or you have never played it before, it's really exciting that they did this. Okay, so now I'm going to open it. Ooh, I'm excited. I have been waiting like months. I swear I did that walkthrough in like July. And now it's, maybe I can use Link's sword. It's like the ultimate. Oh, it's too like rubbery.
Do it on the side.
Like here. Oh, with the sword. Ah, the sword's too rubbery. Ah! Link is opening the game for me. Thanks, bud. All right. Ooh. Peeling it off. So exciting. Oh my God. Okay. So here it is without its plastic sheath. Ooh. So cute. Oh, the inside artwork is like awesome. Wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh, look, and there you are, Link. Okay. So here's the actual little cartridge. These are like comically small to me, by the way. Like, we are really living in the future out here, people. So it's cute. It's green, like Link's outfit. Oh, it looks just like the amiibo, like on there. That's cute. Okay, now let's put it in my brand new Lite. So we'll open the little game cartridge slot and go ahead and just stick it on in there. Ooh, oh my goodness. Okay, so here's the screen. So earlier I did a video in which Super Smash Brothers was in it. Oh, I hadn't even considered the fact that it's touchscreen. So yeah, wow, okay. I already was really liking this thing. And it says it has to update something, so it's just updating. But I was already really liking this thing, and then I just now remembered that the other Switch was touchscreen, and that this one also is too. Update is complete. Not really sure what happened there. Just took like literally seconds. But okay, so now with my new touchscreen Lite. I don't know what's going on. Oh, there we go. Okay. User error. Oh. Oh, this is just like the beginning of the original. At least sound-wise. Oh, what's happening? Oh, it's so cute. I'm so excited to play this. You've washed ashore. The windfish egg. Oh, so exciting. Okay, I'm like not gonna start playing it because I want to stream it later. But check out my other unboxing videos. I unboxed the amiibo for the new game, the Lite, and compared it a bit to the original Switch that I have. And I don't know, I'm just really excited to play this game. So watch my playthrough, like, subscribe to my channel, let me know what you think, because the truth is out there.